I hope you stayed this far because, you know, if you click like or do some kind of weird shit before I even start talking or doing anything, this app clicks you as a bot, but you're not a bot. You're here to find out about, you know, Project Chick-fil-A Dupe because now it's the next day. Look, my brain said work smarter, not harder. Lola wants to say hi. She's like, no, I don't. I just want food. My brain said work smarter, not harder. Being, I saved that one breast because I wanted to try out a chicken cutlet recipe. So, plus I would prefer to marinate things overnight because the longer it stays in the love bath, the better. So what I ended up doing, I took the chicken breast and I split it so I could have 2 thin little cutlets. And I took some of this spicy buttermilk mixture and I poured it on the cutlet, wrapped it, and put that away. Then I did make the dredge for the Chick-fil-A recipe. Again, is going to be in the captions for this. So, working smarter, not harder, I'm going to fry those chicken cutlets later too, because I already got my pretzel pieces in my handy dandy chopper. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take that chicken and I'm going to put it into this dredge. If I have any left, otherwise I'm going to make new flour dredge. And then I'm going to take some of the pretzels and mix it with a little bit of panko for extra crunch and then make that cutlet. But onto this Chick-fil-A. See, 144 was on that timer. I got to stay focused on this one. But anyway, what I'm going to do is we're going to just dip it into the flour. Remember, wet hand, dry hand. Shake off your excess. And then I have a wire rack here. And I'm putting it on there. But I believe I'm going to double these because I just want them extra crispy. Which that works out because it gives some time for this first coating to adhere a little bit so it don't fall off. So that's why I didn't drain this buttermilk out because I'm going to use it again. We're going to take these pieces and we're going to double dip. I mean, this ain't going to be that fun because I'm doing this for now. So, see, maybe I should do this on live. Like, can y'all talk to me on live? 252 when I looked up. Nothing's random in this freaking thing. Nothing is random. I mean, y'all should know what a double dip is, right? I can't do it now because I want to get all these pieces out before I get flour in here. 313, hi dad. Before I get flour in this and get it all gunked up. But then, yeah, see? See what happens? My brain just thinks about way too much. And it's like, just do it. Like Nike. I know I said I was going to double dip them. But they look pretty good for one coating. So now I'm just going to get the oil heated up and fry these bad boys.